We're just outside of Pemberton, and Nina and I are gonna bike up to Tenquille Lake. There's a cabin up there. We're just gonna go for the day. It'll be a day bike. We'll come back down. This trail might be tough to bike up. I'll probably be pushing my bike half the time. That's what I expect. Let's get after it. This is Tenquille Lake Cabin. And they've locked and boarded it up. Thank goodness, due to COVID-19, I feel so safe now. Thank you to our provincial decision makers for having our best interest at heart. You really do care so much about us. Thank you for locking up this backcountry cabin. Thank you for saving us from ourselves. I'm sure everybody in the backcountry would have had COVID-19 by now. It's really a shame. It looks like it'd be such a great place to spend the night. I didn't want to let the cabin closure bother me too much, so I biked around the lake through beautiful meadows next to the water. This is a really beautiful lake. You know what you hear a lot of these days? The place doesn't make the trip, the people do. It's all about the group mentality. Biking as a group and hiking as a group and camping as a group, which is fine. It's totally fun to go into the mountains with your friends and experience it collectively, but it's perfectly fine also to go and experience the wilderness on your own. It's good to do solo trips as well. Just like this one. I'm just out here with Nina. There's no one else around at this whole lake. Just because I'm out here on my own and I'm not out here with friends doesn't mean I'm having any less of an experience. It can be really peaceful. We're back. It took me an hour and a half to come down from the lake, and most of that was in the dark, so that was an adventure bike for sure. Made it very interesting to come down in the dark, and I'm pretty sure that trail is more suited for hiking than it is for biking. You spend so much time jumping off and on your bike, going 5 meters, and then having to jump off again. It's pretty tough. But if you like adventure biking, have a go at this trail.